Tony Robbins' Money, Master the Game, 7 Simple Steps to Financial Freedom, 2014, is a comprehensive guide to personal finance and investing. Robbins interviewed some of the world's greatest investors, like Warren Buffett, Ray Dalio, and Jack Bogle, and distilled their wisdom into 7 steps anyone can follow to achieve financial security and freedom. Here's a chapter-by-chapter breakdown of the 7 steps. 1. Financial freedom requires discipline. Financial freedom isn't just about making a lot of money. It's about managing your money effectively. Setting aside at least 10% of your earnings and investing it wisely is crucial. This discipline helps create a money machine that generates income passively, allowing you to achieve financial independence. 2. Understand the rules of investing. Many people invest without fully understanding the rules of the game. Common myths, such as relying on mutual funds or brokers, can lead to poor investment decisions. It's essential to work with fiduciaries, financial advisors who are legally bound to act in your best interest, rather than non-fiduciaries who might prioritize their commissions over your financial well-being. 3. Compound interest works wonders. Compound interest is a powerful force in investing. By starting early and being patient, your investments can grow significantly over time. Compound interest allows your money to earn interest on interest, accelerating the growth of your wealth. Even small, consistent investments can lead to substantial returns in the long run. 7. Fundamental principles. Step 1. Make the most important financial decision of your life. This step emphasizes the importance of setting aside a fixed portion of your income for savings and investments. By prioritizing saving and investing, you lay the foundation for financial security and growth. The key is to make this a habit and stick to it consistently. Step 2. Become the insider. Step 2. Become the insider. To succeed in investing, you need to understand the rules and realities of the financial world. This includes debunking common myths about investing and being aware of the fees, risks, and potential returns associated with different investment options. By becoming an insider, you can make more informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Step 3. Make the game winnable. This principle focuses on setting clear financial goals and creating a plan to achieve them. It's about understanding what you want your financial future to look like and determining the steps needed to get there. By setting specific, measurable goals, you can create a roadmap for your financial success. Step 4. Make the most important investment of your life. Asset allocation is a critical aspect of investing. It involves diversifying your investments across different asset classes to manage risk and optimize returns. By allocating your assets wisely, you can protect your portfolio from market volatility and increase your chances of achieving your financial goals. Step 5. Create a lifetime income plan. A lifetime income plan ensures that you have a steady stream of income throughout your retirement. This involves diversifying your investments to include assets that generate regular income, such as bonds, real estate, or dividend-paying stocks. By creating a reliable income stream, you can enjoy financial security and peace of mind in your later years. Step 6. Invest like the 0.001%. This principle involves learning from the investment strategies of the ultra-wealthy. The 0.001% often use tax-efficient strategies, invest in diverse asset classes, and have access to exclusive investment opportunities. By understanding and applying these strategies, you can potentially increase your wealth and achieve financial freedom. Step 7. Just do it, enjoy it, and share it. The final step emphasizes the importance of taking action and enjoying the fruits of your labor. Financial freedom isn't just about accumulating wealth. It's also about living a fulfilling life. By focusing on what truly matters to you and sharing your wealth with others, you can create a more meaningful and satisfying life. Actionable strategies. The 3-bucket strategy. The 3-bucket strategy involves allocating your investments into 3 distinct buckets. Security bucket. This bucket focuses on safe, liquid investments that provide stability and security, such as bonds or high-yield savings accounts. The goal is to cover essential expenses and emergencies. Growth bucket. This bucket is for investments that have the potential for higher returns but come with more risk, such as stocks or real estate. The goal is to grow your wealth over time. Dream bucket. This bucket is for investments that align with your personal goals and passions, such as starting a business or investing in a specific industry. The goal is to achieve your long-term aspirations. Diversification. Diversification involves spreading your investments across different asset classes to manage risk and optimize returns. By diversifying your portfolio, you can reduce your exposure to market volatility and increase your chances of achieving your financial goals. Common asset classes include stocks, equities that offer potential for growth but come with higher risk; bonds, fixed income securities that provide regular interest payments and relatively lower risk; commodities, physical goods like gold, oil, or agricultural products that can hedge against inflation; real estate, investments in property or real estate investment trusts, REITs, that offer potential. Comment below if you will follow these principles and get yourself out of poverty. Follow me for more book summary. Share with others. Do not forget to subscribe. I will leave the link at the description and also pin it at the comment section if you want the full book to purchase. Enjoy your day.